In this video, I am going to show you how to monitor updates used in Glide. Monitoring updates is important to track how much of your allocated usage has been consumed within the current billing period. To begin, click on the grid icon at the top left corner to access your main Glide dashboard. Once inside, locate the usage option on the left-hand side menu and click on it. Here, you will see the number of updates used and the remaining updates for the current billing period. Each Glide plan has a defined number of updates, which are primarily used for syncing changes from external data sources or performing actions in your workflows. For example, if your app syncs with Google Sheets or Airtable, each data sync will consume updates. If you find that your current plan does not provide enough updates, you can upgrade to a plan with a higher limit or switch to a business plan, which offers up to 5,000 updates per billing cycle. You can view updates used for the current period or check previous periods to compare usage trends, and this is how you can monitor updates usage in Glide.